coffee as much as I do, I'm going to show you 6 different ways to enjoy it even more. Stay tuned to see how. Welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make iced coffee using Javy Coffee Concentrate. Javy may be brand new, but I've done my research and they offer one of the best ways to enjoy instant coffee. Using microdose coffee is a very easy, economical and convenient way to make iced coffee, as I will show you. Let's start. First, I'm going to create the coffee mix that I'm using in the following 4 drinks. Chill the mixture for a bit so it doesn't melt the ice cubes so fast. Now it's time to make the drinks. saved the best for last. For number 6, I'm making a classic French Café Glacé. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my videos with your family and friends. And if you have any favorite dish you would like us to feature on the channel, please leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit!